Hello. The Leave No One Behind award is given to an activist who's advancing the global goals through extraordinary efforts to help the most vulnerable children and families, no matter where they are. Through his determination and persistence, tonight's recipient has led a project that has so far saved thousands of lives in rural Tanzania. Rather than accepting the circumstances, he's fighting to change them. And it's working. As a United Nations Development Program Goodwill Ambassador, it is my job to shine a spotlight on the importance of leaving no one behind. The UNDP empowers some of the most vulnerable people around the world to take charge of their lives and make a difference in their communities, like in Afghanistan, which has one of the highest maternal and child mortality rates in the world, and where a lack of health facilities in rural areas means that many women don't receive the health care they desperately need. Now, the UNDP are helping 200 classmates to graduate from nursing school this year, who will then go to work in some of the poorest villages in their home province to help others. I am proud to be a UNDP ambassador, and I'm proud to say that my two daughters are here tonight to celebrate these incredible people. It's an absolute privilege. Now, of course, the biggest privilege is for me now to introduce this year's recipient of the Leave No One Behind award, and it goes to Felix Manyogote.
Invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Believe me, it's a very proud recipient who is standing here before you. I am greatly humbled and deeply honored to receive the Leave No One Behind award. First of all, I would like to thank God, my mom, my family, my university Kuhasi Bugando, fellow medical students, and friends, and a very special thanks to Save the Children for nominating me. I would also like to give my sincerest gratitude to UNICEF, Project Level 1, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and the SDG advocates for giving me this incredible honor. My acceptance and receipt of this award would not be complete without letting you hear a bit of my work in Tanzania. In 2013, I lost my aunt in Kigoma village while giving birth at home due to prolonged labor and excessive bleeding. I believe my aunt's death could be preventable if she could have attended antenatal clinics and have access to basic and emergency obstetric care during delivery. When I joined the Kuhasi School of Medicine, during my field works, I witnessed the high number of maternal and child mortality rates in rural areas. I was really disappointed because I realized that these death statistics were not just numbers, were real people. And this was not the generation I wanted for my country and the world at all. I decided to found Mama Afya, an initiative that works to provide free door-to-door antenatal health services to rural women in Tanzania. In this line, we want to see women in Tanzania and across Africa connected to life-saving information and intervention, irrespective of their location. With the project, we have been able to save the lives of 4,000 mothers and newborns. Ladies and gentlemen, I dedicate this award to millions of young people in Tanzania and global who are tirelessly working hard in various fields in supporting and improving the maternal and child health. As I accept this award, I kindly send you all here a warm invitation to join me in supporting and improving maternal and child health, ensuring that we leave no one behind in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, and it's possible. Thank you very much.